everyone, so my name is Teena Kim. I am Cambodian, if you don't already follow me on this channel, but I am going to make Thuk Krueng. It's a Cambodian fish dip sauce. You can use, I don't want to say you can use any kind of fish, but I'm going to be using mackerel fish. This is going to be my first time making it because I've been craving for it, but my mom doesn't live near me, so I found a YouTube video. I'm going to link it down below, and I'm going to attempt to make it. So I thought I would record it since my cousin, Gabi, she likes to eat similar things to me, so if this turns out good, at least she has a video to reference to watch it. So if you guys are like in the same situation where you're kind of craving the same thing, hopefully this video turns out good for me so it can turn out good for you. And so this is kind of like a dummy tutorial video for people that haven't made this before. I mean, I know how to cook, but I just never made this dish before. So I got everything all prepped up. All I gotta do is just combine it. So let's get to that. Let's get to that. Can I not speak? Oh my gosh, this pregnancy's getting to me. Alright, I'm gonna readjust the camera and be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what I toasted in my oven, my little toaster oven, mini oven, heat wave. It's actually a heat wave, but I don't know what it's called, like basic terms. But anyways, so I toasted some garlic, about 5 cloves, toasted some shallots, toasted 5 chili peppers, Thai chili peppers, and then I also toasted, you can actually fry the mackerel, like the whole mackerel that they sell at the Asian stores, but I toasted mine as well because I was doing it outside and I was like, well, might as well just toast it. But after I toasted it, I peeled it off of the fish, or the fish bones or whatever. And yeah, so that's what it looks like right there. And then I squeezed some lime, trying to look all professional here. What the heck is that? Oh, it's part of the bowl. Anyways, so I squeezed some lime. You're gonna need some roasted peanuts, chicken bouillon. What is this? Scallion, green onions. Oh, and also I toasted outside. Mind you, I live in an apartment, so all the white people are probably like, ew, what the hell is that smell? But hopefully, since I live on the 3rd floor, nobody smelled it. But I toasted some shrimp paste in foil. I don't know if you can really see that or not, but which way am I going? Oh, right here. So I toasted that. Oh, I'm going to be using fish sauce and sugar. So I'm putting the chili peppers in there, the shallots, and the garlic. You can wear gloves for this, but whatever. I am not. So now she's pounding it. Okay, so now everything's mixed and mashed. I'm gonna add the toasted shrimp paste. And then once I get it out of this difficult situation, I'm gonna start pounding it again. And try not to pound too hard because the shrimp paste might spit back at you. So I'm gonna add some chicken bouillon or chicken soup seasoning in there. And then a spoon of sugar. Well, I think I did like half a spoon or something like that because I didn't want it to be too salty. Then about a spoon of fish sauce. And all the measurements will be down on the bottom if you're curious about exact measurements. But I kind of eyeball everything to my liking. I added my roasted peanuts. Then mash all of that together. And like I said, if you have everything ready to go, it's much faster to do. So I would suggest that. Don't do it like, you know, whatever, like as you go. Now I put my mackerel fish, my toasted mackerel fish in there. And then you're just going to mash it until all the fish is mixed with the paste really good. And there's like not like big chunks of fish meat like left over. If you like it a little bit chunkier, you can leave it, you know, a little bit chunky, but just not too much where you're just getting one whole bite of a fish, you know, like you want it to be very even all over. Okay, now we're going to add the lime, some water, and mix. Oh my gosh, it looks like what I've been craving! Yay! It's a green shallot. This is a true test because I don't really know what it tastes like without dipping it. Yay! Yes. Okay, so we are finished. Ooh, stank. Ready to eat. And what I have to serve with it is baby corn, French peas, or beans, French beans. I'm just using, well, the beans were just in the fridge, so I just decided to use it. And then I got some bamboo and boiled it and cut it up. And I also, well, the baby corn, I boiled it too. Usually I eat the dip with the, what is it, water spinach and broccoli, but they didn't have it. So, well, I didn't want to go get broccoli, but they didn't have water spinach. But let's try. Okay, so this, I didn't make mine as watery as the lady, auntie. So good. I've been craving this for so long. The only reason why I didn't want to make it watery is because I'm going to kind of pack it, store it. So I kind of want it a little bit concentrated instead of watered down. But if I were to serve it like in a small bowl by myself, I might have just add a little bit more lime. I guess to kind of like freshen it up a little bit. Ooh. But. Oh my God. I've been missing this so bad. Let's see what it tastes like with this. I never ate it with a bean before. Whatever. I think I would rather have it with long beans, but like I said, I was just using whatever we had in the fridge. Okay. One more. And then I have to start cooking ginger chicken. Ooh. I think I'm the only one that eats it here. Because I wouldn't be double dipping. I need to package this up and put it in the fridge before I let it get old fast. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope it was easier to follow along. It only took me like maybe 15 minutes to make it, I guess. I mean, everything else was just prepping it, boiling it, cutting it, and whatever, but it didn't take long at all. Ooh, honey, that's still so good. I cannot eat it. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and just leave a comment. What's your favorite Cambodian dish? Let's see if I decide to make another video. But, oh, this is so good. Bye, you guys.